I would even consider, hey, maybe what if we let go of the idea of power struggle, and get into more of a mindset of, oh, my child's really trying to tell me something right now, which is, hey, I don't want you to be the boss of me. I want some choices and I want to feel capable.